sorry for what I have put you through.
To the do and do little. We are a mother and daughter influencers that have combined to play in hair and makeup. That was Cray, and this is me. Today, we're doing a makeup tutorial. She wanted to say hello. She's moisturizing her face and afterwards going to use some pore reducing formula by Maybelline. Today's video is a collaboration with UCANBE Makeup in the Abstraction Palette. Pretty colors. They even gave us brushes. She's showing them off. They're very inexpensive brushes. Now we're starting out with our eyebrows as usual. She's using the spoilie to kind of brush them out and give them some type of shape. Using a very thin lined brush to help with the eyebrow gel in a dark brown. To let you know, everything we're using is listed below in the description box. Just to let you know, this is our first collaboration. Can you believe it? UCANBE reached out to us and said, try this palette out. We've been using UCANBE since almost the time we started our YouTube channel. Getting those hair strokes and blending the gel in so that it fills in the sparse areas. Now we're using a concealer in a brownish orange tone to outline our eyebrows, well, at least beneath them. And yes, I said ours. I helped make those eyebrows. Now this is a little lighter shade to go on top. She squeezes it out onto the back of her hand and uses a makeup brush to outline. Oops, got that a little backwards. It's lighter under, darker over. Are you liking this video so far? Push the thumbs up button if you do. Blending that concealer out under the eyebrow and across most of her eyelid. Now she's blending out the concealer above her eyebrow. Can you believe it? The eyebrows are done. There's the palette. Gives you that Picasso feel. And today, we're going to use about 4 to 5 shades in the same color palette. She's going to show you. That's a baby blue. That's more of a royal blue. Oops. Having difficulty with the packaging. We're doing a monochromatic blue color to go along with our background, as well as our clothes and our head wrap. This is the first time we've ever used this particular palette, so we're going to give you our honest opinion. She's using contour on her eyelids so that the colors will pop. There's our translucent powder by Airspun. She's going to use that to set her eyelids and the contour. Now these are the 4 colors that we're going to use. As you see, there are 4 different shades of blue. She uses the powder blue or baby blue color in her tear duct area. Spreads it out a little bit across the eyelid, but basically using it in the interior to brighten up the eye. Now she's packing in the eyeshadow powder heavily because we weren't really quite sure how pigmented this would be. Have you given us a comment yet? Come on, comment down below. Now we're using a darker shade of blue. I would consider this, a sky blue, basically. The palette does not give names for their colors. Now here we're going in with almost a periwinkle blue. Oops! She forgot the tape. Now you know she uses the tape to help with that crisp line at the corner of the eyes. Blending the color out.
I'm sorry for what I have put you through.
We're pretty shocked. This palette is pretty pigmented. Now, this is a company through Amazon. So that means reasonably priced and usually 2-day shipping. Free. Adding a little more color. Now this is the third color, well, fourth color of blue. This has a slight shimmer, as you can see. And basically this is going to complete our color palette for our face. Blending it all in so that the colors run into each other and create a bluish smoky eye, basically. See? Now in our waterline, we're going in with that powder blue in the tear duct into the center of the eye, and we're using that periwinkle blue to complete the under eye look. Now how are those shades looking on that melanin skin? Taking off that tape, look how crisp that line is. Okay, time for the eyeliner. At first it appears as though she's doing a thin line, but she's going to make it wider. Now, if you really like this video, share it with your friends and family.
I'm sorry for what I have put you through. Still have you on my mind.
Now this is a bold
My focus been drifting
liner.
away from you. Just wasn't our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried to hold you tight.
And if you don't realize, I'm sitting on the other side of her. She's complaining to me about every look, or at least asking my suggestions. Oh, go ahead, Suki. She kind of thought she did that. Now this is Line and Lash. It's a eyeliner that you also use to glue your false lashes to your eyelids. Works pretty well. We've been using it for a couple of months now. We bought it at Target, and it's not bad. It's by Eaone. Look down in the description box. It's listed there. Trying to get these lashes on. Well, we tried. We had to do it off camera. There we go. Eye look is complete. What do you think?
One eternity later.
Foundation time. She's using her favorite, which is Black Radiance in the espresso color. This is a buildable foundation. And as you can see already, it is definitely a complexion match. And she uses an orange contour to color correct. Lets that sit there for a bit, lets it dry in just a tad, and uses a wet sponge to spread it all out. We even got a baby blue brush to go with our theme. And now she's going in with the contour. We're putting it across her nose to give her nose a more button shape, even though her nose is quite buttony. Is that a word? I think it is. Doing her usual contour areas, her nose, her temples, below her cheek line and her jowl line. Now here's her lighter contour across her nose, slightly on her forehead, the inner corners and outer corners of her eyes to lift them up. We learned that in doing it this way, you don't have to use as much contour. She does her chin and her Cupid's bow. Hope you've subscribed so far. She's blending it all out. And because this video is a demonstration only concerning this makeup or eyeshadow palette, we are minimalizing a lot of products that we usually would use. Just blended it all out, and she put a little bit of translucent powder over to help set the contour. Now it's time for lips. We're outlining it in a blue color to go and match the eyes. And she's got those Cupid doll lips anyway. We're going in the center with a champagne color liquid lipstick. Putting her lips together, blending it all out. Little more is needed. Now up comes the final look using this palette. There we go. Now how did that turn out? This looks beautiful to me. What do you think? Put a little color on her ears. There we go. Bye.
Thank you for watching the Do and Do Little. Make sure you subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Alright, love you back.
Thanks
Bye.
for watching.
Still have you on my mind, my mind.